All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's the ICOM 2730a. It was installed by me, and it actually powered up. I'm so shocked. I had some help with the wiring. Person showed me where the wire goes, and he ran the wire through, but I connected and buttoned up everything else. Pretty clean install. I drilled one hole, and that was it. It's there, but at least it's temporary in case I decide to change up the location. And I didn't want to just have a bunch of random holes drilled in a dash or anything, but looks pretty clean to me. I haven't done my first call out on it yet. I was so close to getting the hole widened for the antenna, but ran out of juice in the drill. It's an old drill, so I can't expect much. But hopefully tomorrow we'll get that resolved, and I'll be able to do my first call out on my new radio.